Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with Mzansi Soap Stories, and namhlanje guys sikhuluma ngeNimba. The previous episode guys isishiye sisemanzini singazi noba senze ntoni, noma silile noma sishaya uqhawe ukuthi ubeyapi khona lapha, because bamtshela ba unenhliziyo yewash, unenhliziyo entekenteke nengxaki esho ukuthi akufanele asondelene nento ezomstressa nezomdepressa. Kulethwa indaba ezibhlungu zokuthi uLikamva akasakhona ukuphila kahle, ibrain yakhe idamage ayisasebenzi. Uphaya ulapha naye ufunani uqhawe Nkosi yami nenhliziyo enenkinga kangaka. Oh guys, yo that episode ibibhlungu kakhulu guys. It's so painful ukubona uThumeka, like she don't even have words, she's just crying nje, inyembezi ziyageleza emehlweni akhe. The whole family, it's a lot of stress guys, as much as we are watching a story, but this is so emotional. This is so emotional. Ngapha uZethu, she's crying non-stop, akanamuntu omthulisayo, wonke umuntu uyakhala laphayana. Oh no, ngibona mamdala ekhala guys izolo, and I was like hayibo kwaze kwanzima. So guys, kuzokwenzekalani ke manje? Are we losing both Mabandla children, or what is going to happen? So social media, abantu ba social media, they are suggesting or they are hinting ukuthi into ngayi-expecta njengamanje ukuthi inhliziyo kaLikamva izokhupha phaya, because he's not functioning now. Uphila ngemshini, she's in like machine support, ibrain yakhe idamage, and there is no possibility ukuthi usangaphinda phile or ibrain yakhe isangaphindi function. So vele guys, uLikamva is rest in peace nje, is just about to rest in peace. So moche kamatheza zeka namhlanje baveza ukuthi ke a proposal is made that could change everything. So abantu ke they're convinced ukuthi ke inhliziyo kaLikamva izothathwa izofakwa ke kuqhawe ukuze akwazi ukuthi ke aphile. Uqhawe has been saying ukuthi yena uLikamva is her other half or something like that. So people are just reading between the line, because amathezes guys eNimba, you're not gonna crack them. Like you there's no way ukuthi ungakwazi ukubona ukuthi bafuna ukukhuluma ngani. Ubona beshaya ngamabhomu noma surprise nje ukuthi uLikamva ngaphasathi uLikamva uqhawe, yabo. So guys, it's gonna be just that. It's just gonna be a very very painful January for us esithanda ke iNimba. Guys, kusazobanzima ngampela, especially lapha na ke kuThumeka. Even guys uMabandla uHlathi guys is going through a lot at this stage. He's going through a lot. I just saw him yesterday nje indlela becommunicate ngayo no Lazarus ukuthi yazini, like akekho empini, he's accepting everything. Makuthiwa ifamily uthi no, we are all family. It was sad, it was very sad guys. But guys, injalo ke into ba uqhawe ayena might survive. Okay, possibility are show survive ngenhliziyo kaLikamva, but ke kusho ukuthi ke uqhawe, but ke uqhawe vele ukhuliswe uThumeka nje le family guys. Season 2 asazi si expecte ini, ngoba ngeke nje uzucabanga ukuthi yini engasiyenzeke elandelayo lapha kulesa story, ngoba kungathi kune secret enye nje eluma, like eqhamukayo evelayo ukuthi yabo ngase kube so yabo nje mangabe uchecka ama-teasers angomhla ka-30. I'm not sure if they are speaking about lo mfana ke on the last on Friday, but just as the healing seems possible, a truth lands that changes everything. So guys, bose ngathi uzimaningi ama secret akhona, anganoma mhlawumbe ile secret yokuthi ke ulwandle ushayise uLikamva, we don't know. But guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.